Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a tutorial on using NetLogo multi-agent modeling and simulation software. And NetLogo is a very popular tool used by many researchers and developers around the world. NetLogo is authored by Yuri Wilinski, who is a professor at the Northwestern University. And the Center for Connected Learning and Computer-Based Modeling at the Northwestern University is currently developing a NetLogo software. And this is an open source software under the GNU General Public License, so you can freely download it from the NetLogo website. You can use NetLogo in many problem domains such as sociology, biology, archaeology, computer science, physics, and psychology. Also, you can use NetLogo to create entertaining things such as arts and some basic computer games. As you can see in this screen, there are some inbuilt NetLogo models available to display some fireworks. Also, you can use that for machine learning and to model traffic and to model virus spread. And there are some basic 2D games created with NetLogo such as Pac-Man. And there are some classical sociological problems modeled using NetLogo such as segregation, and at the same time you can use that to model a flock of birds and disease spread, and also at the same time to model the behavior of social insects and fire spread in forest. So like that you can use it to model and simulate so many things in the world. Recently, NetLogo was widely used to model and predict some of the COVID-19 related situations. So there's a website called modelingcommons.org. So that website is used by many researchers to share their agent-based models and collaborate with other researchers. So if you go to that website, you will see so many models available. Among those models, recently there are many COVID-19 related agent-based models published by the researchers. So for example, so there's one model called COVID-19 and health system capacity. Also there's another model called COVID-19, how quarantine flatten the curve. So like that, you can use NetLogo for many useful applications. If you visit the NetLogo website, you will see two versions of NetLogo available. There's one version which is downloadable called the NetLogo desktop version, and there's another one called NetLogo web version. So that means you can use NetLogo on a web browser also, and so here you can open agent-based models on a web browser and you can execute those, and at the same time you can share these NetLogo web models with other developers or researchers or any given audience. But there are limitations in the web version of NetLogo. For example, some of the extensions are not yet available in NetLogo web version. So in this tutorial, we are going to create a very basic 2D game using NetLogo. And in this game, we are going to cover some of the basic constructs of NetLogo, such as turtles, patches, and links, etc. So, and creating a game will be a very good way to learn some of the basic concepts of NetLogo in a very fun and engaging way.